Diagram of digestive system. Digestive system. We start from buccal cavity.
पेन में भी कोई बात नहीं भाई, खुली नहीं, कुछ दिन दिखा रहे थे वो घड़ी में करवा रहे हैं अपना, भाई खुली होगी तो कोई खोल दी होगी।
Then this one is food pipe,
मुझे बार बार खुद नहीं आना पसंद करेंगे,
that is called esophagus. This is buccal cavity, buccal cavity, buccal cavity. Here you have to draw the gland, and this is parotid gland. Here is present the gland that is very small. It is called sublingual. This is sublingual gland, and here is present another gland that is of intermediate size. It is called submandibular. Submandibular gland. Then this is the common portion that is called pharynx. Pharynx. Its part which communicate with nose, that is called nasopharynx. Part which communicate with trachea, here is called laryngopharynx. And the part which communicate with oral cavity, that is called oropharynx. This is the food pipe. It is called esophagus. This is the food pipe or esophagus. The part of esophagus, upper part, it is called cervical part. सर्वाइकल पार्ट क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ये पार्ट हमारे पीछे, अगर आप गर्दन की तरफ हाथ करें, सर्वाइकल वर्टिब्रा के कोरस्पॉन्डिंग है. अब आप अपनी यहाँ रिब को टच करें, यहाँ तो यहाँ तक हमारा थोरेक्स पोर्शन है, जहां आपकी लास्ट रिब है, ये टच करके देखें तो ये जो पार्ट है दैट इज thoracic part. That is thoracic part. Next is stomach. This upper part of stomach, that is dome shape, it is called fundus. It is the part of stomach which is for the storage of gases. This is called cardiac part. Here the esophagus open, and here is present a sphincter that is called gastroesophageal sphincter. Then this is body of stomach, and this last part is called pyloric stomach. This stomach is J-shape, and this gastroesophageal sphincter, it become active at the age of 2 years. 2 साल तक नॉन फंक्शनल रहता है, उसके बाद एक्टिवेट हो जाता है. Then next is here first part of small intestine, that is C-shape. C-shape is the characteristic of human being. This first part is called duodenum. Then here we draw leaf-like structure that is called pancreas. Pancreas is the only part of digestive system where there is no digestion. This is accessory pancreatic duct. This part is pancreas. This is accessory pancreatic duct. Then next part of small intestine is jejunum and last is इलियम. यहाँ डॉटेड हम इसलिए बना रहे हैं कि लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन बनानी है, तो इसको हमने सेगमेंटेड दिखाना है. अभी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन कंप्लीट करेंगे क्योंकि इसकी कैविटी में होती है. You have to draw this type of segments. These are the part of large intestine. इसके साथ साथ ही हम करेंगे small intestine को complete. ये जो मैं ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ दिस इज लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. थोड़ा सा इधर ले आओ क्योंकि इसमें हमने एक पार्ट और डिस्क्राइब करना है. देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज दिस वन जो ड्रॉ कर रही हैं. इट इज कॉइल्ड. बट लेस coiled than the ileum. This part is called, this is the first part, duodenum. duodenum. This is jejunum. And this is last part, very much coiled. Open into this first part of large intestine. It is called ileum. Up to this is the first part of small intestine called duodenum. It is C-shaped, then jejunum and then ileum. इन तीनों को कंबाइन करके आप लिख लें स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन.